back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. आज हम हैं downtown, which is the heart of the city of Toronto, which is basically the city which has embellished tall buildings, beautiful buildings all around, and which has places like, you know, Eaton Center, which I'll take you guys. It has Dundas and Young. Oh my goodness, what not? Like whatever I've seen in my childhood in those beautiful Bollywood films, it's actually the place which I want to show you all that how it's gonna look, and I'll take you guys along with me. So let's get going. Woo! So we are actually on one of the streets here. I don't know the name actually. We just parked our car. The garage is right there in the back. We are on the Church Street actually. यहाँ से we have planned to go towards there is a little food truck stalls where we'll be going and having a Mexican mango candy. That's one of our plans. And I think along with that we'll also be planning to go towards there is a very famous place which has these Japanese spongy cheesecakes, which is one of those cheesecakes which are very famous around the world. They are actually so spongy कि even if you touch that तो वो बिल्कुल ना it starts wobbling, like बहुत ही अच्छा. I had it like I think couple weeks back and it's so good. Jaggi, say hi. So this is how the parking is done in Canada. So when you park your car around, basically this is the parking machine wherein you punch in your card over here and then you punch in the time. So this is basically the time reader here. You print a ticket, you put that ticket in your car, and then there is like a very user-friendly app जिसमें कि if you already know that you will be extending your time, let's say if you're going to shop और आपको पता है that you're going to take a little bit more time, so you can always update your time over there. So let's say if you printed a ticket for like 2 hours, you can increase another half an hour or an hour by like that, and then it generally automatically updates on the you know, on the thing, like on their machine, so that you ultimately don't get like a ticket from the police officer. Wow, such a nice property. Woo. Look at that. Super cool, man. I am back with the mask. So do I look like a cute ninja to you guys? Anyways, so I had to put my mask on only because now we are moving towards a little bit more crowded area. Now we are going towards a very important, or you can say a very major landmark in Toronto downtown, which is Yonge Street. It has all those big designer stores. It has a very big mall here called as Eaton Center. Today I feel like downtown is not that busy as it is usually. Otherwise, I still remember when this whole thing got a little back to normal and we guys came here, people were like, oh, do you mind maintaining your 6 feet? And I'm like, dude, you can't really afford to have a 6 feet distance in downtown when you're around so many people, like thousands of people, thousands of pedestrians every single day. It's majorly a city where you will see less of you know, commotion due to cars, but more due to people, because people, thousands, lakhs, hundreds every single day. There is another graffiti which is right here. I want to show you all. There it is. That's actually Michael Jackson. Holy, that's so cool. चलो हाँ कहाँ
खाली पड़ा.
Let's go in. So cute. Coca-Cola too. So we are leaving from the store. I think we just bought a pair of shoes. We are heading towards, I think, the, oh, that's right there. And this is the Ryerson University, by the way, which is a very famous university in Canada. So that's the university, that's the entrance of the university, which is a very famous university in Canada, Ryerson. This is one of its campus here. these are all these different trucks here. And let's see how it goes. So we are going to this Mexican place.
We have the same thing that you guys, which you gave us the last time. The mangoes in a cup and some.
We are not ready yet. I'm so sorry.
Oh, you're not ready yet?
Yeah, if you wanna come back later when we're ready and we have all the
course,
mangoes here.
around.
Look,
So we just came to this food truck and unfortunately he doesn't have the mangoes ready और मेरा तो दिल टूट के चकनाचूर हो चुका है. But he says that it should be ready in another hour and we'll come back. But भूख बहुत ज़्यादा लगी है, so we have ordered ourselves a Mumbai sandwich and a Lasuni Maggi, Indian Desi tadka with a Lasuni Maggi, which I want to show you guys right here. So that's the stall where we ordered the food from, and that's the Mumbai sandwich. I hope it actually comes out as it looks in the picture, and that's the delicious Lasuni Maggi. जगराज बिल्कुल भूख से तड़फड़ा रहे हैं. Are you literally hungry or very hungry?
Very hungry.
And I think he's gonna also order a plate of momos, steamed chicken momos, which is going to be coming from the Karma's Kitchen. Karma's Kitchen, Tibetan, Nepalese, and Indian cuisine.
Yeah, we just opened like 2 weeks ago.
So we are making a mango on a stick for us, right?
Do you want to have it on a stick or
In a cup. In a cup.
And what's this? I don't know how you pronounce that. Chamoy and tahin.
Yeah, tahin is like a chili powder, and chamoy it's like a dry fruit sauce.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Which gives it like more like a sweet and tangy
like a
flavor,
soury
right? Yeah,
chili.
yeah.
Is that the red sauce which you guys put in on top of mango?
Yeah, that's the
And
chamoy.
I think the Brazilians do the same thing but on a pineapple, right?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah. One of my co-workers was telling me that they do the same thing but on a pineapple.
Yeah, well, I mean, we use like a lot of spicy stuff and like sour stuff in Mexico, so that's.
So you took a whole mango and then you...
Yeah, we took a whole mango for the cup.
Did you want to say hi to all my audience here?
Hey guys, we're Fruta Libre and we're just making a mango in a cup for you.
And what's the name of your shop again?
Fruta Libre.
And what does that mean exactly?
So in Mexico we have like this, it's like the WWE, but in a Mexican way. So it's called Lucha Libre. So we just changed it because Fruta
Fruta
Libre.
And that's the
Tahin. That's a spicy,
tahin. Okay. I was
it's
trying
like
to read it
a
on the
chili
thing.
powder.
Chamoy and tahin.
There you go guys.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yep.
How much
To
is
you
it?
guys.
Totally flooded. बिल्कुल भरा पड़ा है with this red chutney. Too good. बहुत ही स्वाद है. खट्टा मीठा टैंगी सा फ्लेवर है. Must try Mexican food भाई. Must try है. So Young and Dundas. That's the Eden Center. This is precisely a mall. And this is like an arena where like all these shows are held, people are dancing. I don't know, we don't have many of the artists performing here, otherwise we usually have like a bunch of artists performing, singing or dancing at this very spot. So this is the Pride month for LGBT community, and here is the Pride Day celebration going on in such beautiful colors. That's so pretty, the butterfly, wow. Now we are heading towards Uncle Tetsu's. We are back in the car and it's so much hot. भाई गर्मी 30 degrees outside और पूरी tan. I'm totally tan right now. मेरी arms, मेरा face. So finally I am at Uncle Tetsu's, the Japanese cheesecake shop. Let me just show you around. Such a cute little shop right here, and I think I have like 3 people ahead of me. Okay, so they already went in. Now it's my turn. I can't wait to go in and show you all how little the shop is, but जो इसका taste है, I wish कि मैं camera के through I could have given you guys a bite of the cheesecake to make you guys realize how good it is. Oh my god, literally. So here I go inside the shop. Thank you very much. Hi guys, do you mind if I record for my YouTube video?
Tell me!
For my YouTube? Yeah? Thank you, thank you. So what all like, what is the whole variety that you guys have? What all different kind of cakes do you guys
we have
have?
a cheesecake, cheese tarts, and the madeleines, and also the rusk. The cheesecake is a Japanese style cheesecake, and also we have the cheese tarts. It's a combination of 3 flavors: matcha, regular cheese, and the chocolate.
And what's so famous about Uncle Tetsu's cheesecake?
We use the cream cheese and also the butter. It's more fluffy. It's a different with the traditional New York style.
I see.
Yeah.
Very nice. So can I have one whole cheesecake plain?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be all. Thank you.
That's everything?
Yes, that's everything for today. So see guys, I told you such a cute little shop, and that's a cute little Uncle Tetsu's like a signature mark, which is on the cake as well. There. What's your name?
Yi. So it's here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, happy
Thank you very
life.
much. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye bye. Bye everybody.
Bye.
I'm so excited. So yes, I'm back in the car. यहाँ पे parking is such a big problem that Jagraj had to wait on the curbside, and now we are heading home. I hope you all loved this little vlog of mine, the first part of downtown Toronto, which is the summers in Canada, which is so good. Like summers यहाँ होती बहुत कम time के लिए, but they are the most enjoyable. Like I feel like बहुत ही best time होता है, because if you really want to enjoy summers without having to regret, this is the place to be, man. Like literally. Well, I'll see you guys next week, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like button, comment and share, and till then take care.